Hello friends, may you all be safe. Friends, WhatsApp application is very useful in mobile. WhatsApp is a free, cross-platform messaging and calling app owned by Meta that uses an internet connection to send text, voice, and video messages, and to make voice and video calls. But if you save 3 more contacts in it, it will be more useful. You can add individual AI services like Copilot, ChatGPT, and Perplexity as contacts to use them in WhatsApp. Here you have to open WhatsApp. Click on the Add Contacts button. New contact need to be selected. Here you have to select the United States while selecting the country. And you have to type 824-28-478 in the phone number. And you have to tap on the Save button. Now, if you search for ChatGPT in the WhatsApp search, it will appear in front of you. Now you can use ChatGPT in WhatsApp. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that uses natural language processing to generate human-like conversations. Now, tap on the Add New Contact button again. Here you have to select New Contact again. And in country you have to select United States again. And you have to type 877-22-41-042 in the phone number. And once again, tap on the Save button. If you just type CO in the search here, you will see Microsoft Copilot in front of you. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered digital assistant that helps users with a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, writing and editing content, creating images, and coding. Go back and tap on the Add New Contact button again. Here again tap on New Contact. Distinguish between a new group and a new contact. Here in the country you have to select the United States again. And you have to type 833-43-63-285 in the phone number. And you have to tap on the Save button. Now you just type PER in the search. There is Perplexity before you. Perplexity can refer to an AI-powered search engine or a measure of uncertainty. In information theory, you can send a document to Perplexity for a podcast by uploading it. After the file is uploaded, ask Perplexity to turn the document into an audio podcast, or generate a podcast from the content. Or it can also summarize this document. I will provide the contact numbers for these 3 AI services in the description. You can add them to your WhatsApp and benefit from them. And you will get these 3 AI services for free right on WhatsApp. I hope this useful video will be useful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.